Fake news. Mainstream media reports fake news. New Zealand mainstream media are reporting that a recent mathematical modelling study shows that the COVID-19 vaccines saved thousands of lives during the Omicron outbreak. The study estimates that the vaccines prevented between 4,000 and 12,000 deaths during the Omicron phase of the COVID-19 pandemic. The study also concluded the COVID-19 vaccination program greatly reduced the burden on the health system, and that New Zealand had one of the lowest pandemic mortality rates in the world. It wasn't really difficult to smell a rat when this was published today, so I had a deeper look at the research report in the news article. The links are in the description, and, well, the rat smell just got bigger and bigger. Let's take a look at some facts and figures, then after the video, I'll present you with a devious motive why this report came out in the first place, or a conspiracy theory, call it whatever you wish. That is, if you haven't already guessed it yourself. The following video clips should be obvious and self-explanatory, and appropriately play to the music Angels Crying. Firstly, the research report was based on a computerized mathematical modeling program, and not actual verifiable data like the video charts you've just watched. I wonder why? Do you recall how inaccurate these professor modeling programs were in the early days of the COVID pandemic? Hundreds and thousands would die if we didn't vaccinate, and so on. Over time, of course, this proved to be utter nonsense. The modeling programs were total garbage. So now, the professors are modeling again, and here is the reason why, as mentioned at the foot of the mainstream media news article. The study work was partly funded by the New Zealand Department of the Prime Minister and Cabinet and Ministry of Health. This was just a passing comment at the bottom of the article, and no mention of which Prime Minister or Cabinet or Health Ministers. I wonder if there's a COVID-19 inquiry on the horizon? I wonder if this was initiated some time ago by the Ardern Hipkins failed Labour government as a preemptive move to start protecting themselves from prosecution or being found guilty of negligence, which could affect their future careers and titles. Thank you for listening. Geraint, on behalf of WhangareiTim.